Here's the safe way to change your light bulb in a Lionel No. 60 trolley without damaging those fragile roof retaining clips. Instead of trying to remove the roof, which can easily break those clips, we're going to remove the body from the frame. First, lift the trolley pole and the clip off the post. Then flip the trolley over and remove the one screw that holds the body to the frame. Once the screw is out, simply lift the body right off the frame. And there you have it. There's the light bulb. Remove the old light bulb from the socket and then install the new one. Put the body back onto the frame, reinstall and tighten the screw, and then flip it back over. Finally, slide the trolley pole back underneath the retaining clip and press it down to the post. And you're ready to go. That's all there is to replacing a bulb. Go to Grampys Lionel Trains on YouTube to see more repairs. Happy railroading!